Hello. In this video we are going to see how to set up weapon animations to work with our character. All animations are organized on Animator Controller. Click on your character, and then, open the Animator Controller. Select Upper Layer, in the Layers section. You can see that we have 3 sub-states. Each one for one weapon. Click on Rifle. Inside this sub-state, there are animation states for each action of the weapon: equip, idle, fire, aiming, reload. We will set this animations in our weapon. We also have to tell weapon which layers this animation should use. For example, for idle animations you can only use right arm to carry a pistol, for example. In this case, left arm and upper body will be free to play the animation of an ability. Now, let's select our weapon. Open Animation section. You can see that we have 6 properties, one for each state of the weapon. Let's fill each one. Open Equip state. Click to add animation. We will use only right arm to get the weapon. Select this layer. Inside state name, type, rifle, equip. This is an animation under rifle sub-state, called equip. We are going to do the same with unequip state, but we are going to use unequip state. Now, for idle state we are going to use both arms. In this case we have to add 2 animations. Both will use the state rifle, idle. Let's fill all states. In the next video we are going to set weapon position on character.